could do this for hours. Sit and talk to you for hours.
On my hair, and it's looking a little crunchy, but it's gonna fix. Got to use glue, not the spray, but the glue. And I'm just gonna put a little bit because, as y'all can see, my edges are raw already. So my edges is already raw. So what I'm gonna do is go in and just put a little bit on my hand. Y'all, let me show you. I burnt my tops. I burnt it. So now I gotta use it like this. I just put a little bit on there. Especially here, because this is where I have struggled. Thing look messed up to y'all if I'm not doing it right. I can always make my hair and stuff turn out prettier than what it even looks like. I'm good with that, so it's okay if I'm doing it wrong. I will get taught a certain way how to do it maybe sometime soon. Y'all need to teach me. Got the edges laid how I want them to. I know everything looks see-through, but trust me, guys. Everything just looks not good. I go in with my James Charles palette and get something that's closer to my color, which is this. So I'm gonna get that color going with a brush. Just get that color and go in and just start coloring the light spots, because you don't want that to really show. That means you pluck too much. And because this is a tea party wig, anybody that have had a tea party wig knows that edges are very thin, and you have to be very careful when you pluck, because it don't have that many edges or enough space for you to keep plucking like you do with regular lace fronts. This is a T-part. It is not a lace front, so you have to be very careful on how you do the wig, and not everybody can pull off a T-party wig. Now, most hairstylists can't even use a T-part, because a T-part is just a middle part, and then all they have is just one, like a itty bitty tiny lace in the middle. And as y'all can see, that lace right there, that's where my T is at, and it goes that way. Well, not necessarily. It comes, the T part means this, so it's this, and then it goes that way. I'm sorry, I did that totally wrong, because your edges counts too. But y'all see how I just got that to blend so good. You don't see no white. For real. And in person, you can't see nothing. So that's very good. Now that's how you, like with color, when you're doing color, your color tends to show a lot. So you have to really cover it up. So that's what I'm doing. And I'm taking the same green and I'm going here on this side. And I'm just coloring the white part. So y'all see these are the white parts. White. Yeah, where you could see halfway everything. So I really didn't need nothing on this side. So I'm gonna take some of this wax stick. You get this at your local beauty supply store. You just wipe this extra. Because you know it will get on you, so you gotta be careful. In person, it look like I'll plug good, perfect. But on camera, it's giving not. How you know it's working? So y'all, I just started flat ironing my hair. I flat ironed this part already. And what I use to flat iron my hair is these flat irons. The best. I done had these flat irons for about 12 years now. Since I've been little. My mom done had these for about 12, not me, but my mom. And now she got dreads. But she don't use these, so these boring. And what I use to flat iron my hair is this heat protector. And only a little goes a long way, so all you gotta do is just that much, and it will go a long way. So next piece, just taking pieces by pieces to get it straight. I think I just